My name is Kristi Wallace, and I am the Wellness Analyst for the City of High Point. The City of High Point is a medium-sized municipality with approximately 1,400 employees across 22 departments and located in High Point, North Carolina. The purpose of this study is to determine the motivation of the City of High Point employees' decision to participate or not participate in their employee wellness program. In addition to determining motivation to participate or not participate, the study will explore the City of High Point employee perceptions of their wellness program and explore potential changes in order to motivate employees to participate if they are not participating, increase individual employee participation if they are participating, or sustain current individual employee participation level if they are participating. Employee wellness programs have significantly grown in existence and popularity over the past 25 years. Studies have demonstrated that with employee participation, employers can benefit from improved employee retention, job satisfaction, productivity, presenteeism, and potentially reduce overall healthcare costs. However, little research has been done on what motivates employees to participate and how employers can increase their overall employee participation in their wellness programs. With increased participation, employers can further increase the results of the improved retention, job satisfaction, productivity, presenteeism, and reduced healthcare costs overall. The study will explore the City of High Point employee perceptions, motivation to participate, and potential changes that solicit the increased participation to see the improved outcomes. Furthermore, the study will aid in closing the gap in overall research available to employers and other wellness programs to improve the outcomes of their initiatives as well. Thank you for your time, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.